in Zurich, Switzerland, and here are my first impression and thoughts about the M4 iPad Pro 2024. So let's waste no time and get started. The iPad Pro 2024 comes in two different sizes, one being the 11-inch, second being the 13-inch. This year, Apple has introduced the new M4 chip to the iPad Pro models, when compared to the previous M2 chip on the iPad Pro models. This year's iPad Pro 2024 with M4 chip offers improved power processing and graphic capabilities, RAM for smoother multitasking and a better gaming experience. This year, Apple has introduced OLED screens for both the iPad Pro models, which offer a better color reproduction. Let's talk about design. This year's iPad Pro 13-inch comes around 5.1 mm, whereas the 11-inch comes around 5.4 mm. This is significantly lighter and thinner than the previous models. This year, along with the new iPad Pro, Apple has introduced the new Apple Pencil Pro and the new Magic Keyboard. Please take note. The new iPad Pro 2024 is not compatible with the previous gen Magic Keyboards. What do you guys think about the iPad Pro 2024? Do let us know in the comment section below. So, if you like this video, make sure to give it a like, share, subscribe. Bye guys.